Two big boys. Oh, there's the four boys all together. What's the matter, huh? What's the matter? Oh, they're not playing with you. What? What? Are you licking me? You're always licking me. Tear it up, Patty's getting rough. A little lover bug here. Little lover bug here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. You are so sweet. Somebody's going exploring. Miss Moxie, she would be the one to go exploring. You would be the one to go out of the room and go exploring because that's what you do. Because you are adventurous. You are adventurous like Mama. Yes, you are. What? I didn't say you. What did I tell you? What? Tally, what do you want? Hi, handsome. What? He's sort of a quieter puppy. He's wrinkled and bully and hi. Hi. Aw. That's a babe. Oh, now he's kissing my hand. Are you kissing my hand? Uh-oh, I'm invaded. Uh-oh, I got puppies everywhere, all over me. All over my face, all over my arms. They're all invading me. This is puppy heaven. Oh, who's got my hair? Somebody had my hair. Okay, we won't do this again. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. That hurt. You guys got to pull my hair. You guys pull my hair. Hi. Hi. Tally, what are you doing, you little cutie? All right, hold on. Hold on. Can I have this? Thank you. All right. All right. Somebody's still on my leg. Be nice. All right, we got to take you guys back into your kennel. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know. Come on. There you go. Come on. They're so good at listening already. Come on. Come on. Good kids. Good kids. No, you don't get to go back out. You got to come in. Come on. Good babies. Say bye. Say bye-bye.